Hey Drew, what'd you forget?
My boots.
This looks professionally good.
Oh boy.
What happened?
Hard snow.
Hard snow, okay. We're stuck. Here we go, here we go. You ready? There's Mount Democrat. Andrew. Good, baby. Nick, baby.
Oh yeah.
Made it.
Yep.
Oh wow. Fuck yeah.
All right, this is hardcore. We've made it to camp. No updates for the past 2 hours because we've been fucking running.
4 hours, dude.
4 hours?
I do. It's 10.
When was the last update?
It's 10:30.
Blizzard was cool. We lost a tarp.
Get the rock, dude.
Look at this. This is our rock. The sleeping setup sucks. There's such a blizzard. All of our gear is inside. So, might not be a... We'll see. We'll see how long we last. Just get luck. Alright.
Yep, 414ers tomorrow.
Yep. Yep. That's the check-in. We'll see ya hopefully in the daytime tomorrow.
Hopefully not in 3 hours when we're fucking...
Oh shit!
3 hours fucking...
Justin's going on skis.
something. Time to head down. All good, y'all. Boys are back in town. But we smoked them.
Oh yeah, we smoked them.
Not even close.
Are we stuck again?
Dude, look at that view. We were just on top of that thing.
We're just on top of that. Alright, so let's just
Time to head out.
open the trunk, throw on the sleds. How is it?
Exactly. Just like that.